Metal 3D printing is exploding in 2025, reshaping everything from rapid prototyping to full-scale manufacturing and custom part production. What used to be a niche technology is now more accessible, faster, and more precise than ever, opening new doors for engineers, designers, and makers alike. In today's video, we're diving into the 6 best metal 3D printers of 2025, breaking down their standout features and what you need to know before making a choice. Whether you're just starting out or scaling production, we've got you covered. And as always, you'll find direct links to each printer in the description below. Number 6. Xact Metal XM200C. Starting off our list is the Xact Metal XM200C, an affordable entry-level metal 3D printer that's perfect for small shops and prototyping. If you're looking to dip your toes into metal printing without the massive upfront cost, this one's worth a close look. It uses laser powder bed fusion technology to produce precise metal parts, with a build volume of about 125 by 125 by 125 millimeters. Compact, but enough for most small components. One thing we love is how quiet and compact it is, making it suitable even for smaller workspaces. The XM200C supports popular metals like stainless steel and tool steel, which covers a broad range of prototyping needs. On the plus side, it's significantly more budget-friendly compared to many high-end metal printers out there, plus it's pretty straightforward to set up and maintain. That said, keep in mind the build volume is limited and print speeds aren't the fastest if you're scaling up production. But for small businesses or individuals wanting metal printing without breaking the bank, the Xact Metal XM200C offers a great balance of price and performance. Number 5. 3D Systems DMP Flex 100. Next up is the 3D Systems DMP Flex 100, an industrial-grade metal 3D printer known for exceptional precision and surface finish. This one's built for professionals who demand top-tier quality and reliability. It features a 100-watt laser delivering a high resolution of 20 microns, producing parts with incredibly fine detail. The build volume sits around 125 by 125 by 125 millimeters, giving you enough space for many precision parts. What really sets the DMP Flex 100 apart is its material versatility, supporting stainless steel, titanium, and cobalt chrome, metals commonly used in aerospace, dental, and medical applications. Plus, it comes with a robust software ecosystem to optimize your workflow from design to print. On the upside, this printer churns out functional, durable metal parts with high repeatability and an excellent surface finish that often requires minimal post-processing. The main consideration here is the price, which is on the higher end, making it best suited for professional use rather than hobbyists or smaller shops. If you're in industries like aerospace or medical, where precision and reliability are non-negotiable, the DMP Flex 100 is a solid investment. Number 4. Sinterit Lisa Pro. Coming in at number 4 is the Sinterit Lisa Pro, a bit of a unique player on this list. While it's primarily a selective laser sintering, or SLS system, it's capable of printing metal-filled composite materials, making it a versatile option for those looking to experiment beyond traditional metal printing. It boasts a generous build volume of around 150 by 200 by 260 millimeters, quite large for its price range, which opens up a lot of creative possibilities. One of the standout features here is the open system design, allowing users to work with a variety of powders and tweak materials for R&D or prototyping purposes. This makes the Lisa Pro especially appealing to research labs and designers who want to push boundaries. On the flip side, it's important to note this isn't a pure metal printer. The metal parts printed with metal-filled powders typically require additional post-processing to achieve full metal properties. So, if you're exploring composite metal materials or need a flexible prototyping platform, the Sinterit Lisa Pro offers great versatility and a large build area without breaking the bank. Number 3. EOS M100. At number 3, we have the EOS M100, a compact yet powerful metal 3D printer that's a true leader in the industry. Known for its reliability and precision, this machine is a favorite among engineers who need consistent, high-quality results. The M100 uses a 200-watt laser to deliver extremely fine detail and accuracy, with a build volume of about 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters. While it's smaller in size, it supports a broad range of metals, including aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium, making it versatile for different applications. What sets the EOS M100 apart is its fully integrated software and powder management system, which streamlines the printing process and ensures safety and efficiency. On the downside, this printer requires professional handling and a significant investment in powder safety equipment and training. If you're working in precision engineering, small batch manufacturing, or even medical implants, The EOS M100 delivers industry-trusted quality and durability every time. Number 2. Desktop Metal Studio System 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Desktop Metal Studio System 2, a desktop-friendly metal 3D printer designed specifically for office environments and minimal setup. If you've been hesitant about metal printing because of complicated powder handling, this system offers a much safer and cleaner alternative. It uses bound metal deposition technology, or BMD, which extrudes bound metal rods rather than loose powders. This allows for a larger build volume of around 300 by 200 by 200 millimeters, significantly bigger than many powder bed printers. Materials supported include stainless steel, tool steel, copper, and several others, giving you a lot of flexibility depending on your project needs. What's also included is an integrated debinder and furnace, which handle the necessary post-processing steps like debinding and sintering, ensuring your parts come out strong and precise. The big advantage here is faster print times and an office-safe operation that doesn't require specialized powder handling protocols. However, keep in mind that you'll still need to complete the post-processing workflow. If you're part of an engineering firm or prototyping team looking to produce metal parts quickly without the mess and hassle of powders, the Desktop Metal Studio System 2 is a standout choice. Number 1. Markforged Metal X. Topping our list is the Markforged Metal X, arguably the most accessible high-end metal 3D printer available today. It leads the market by combining innovative technology with a user-friendly experience, making industrial-grade metal printing easier than ever. The Metal X uses atomic diffusion additive manufacturing, or ADM technology, which prints bound metal powder layers that are then sintered into solid metal parts. It offers a generous build volume of roughly 300 by 220 by 180 millimeters, letting you produce sizable components without compromise. It supports a wide range of metals, including stainless steel, tool steel, and even Inconel, covering many demanding industrial applications. One of the biggest perks is its integrated cloud-based software, which streamlines the entire workflow from design to print, reducing the need for extensive operator training. The Metal X delivers exceptional mechanical properties and smooth surface finishes, all with faster turnaround times compared to traditional metal 3D printing systems. Of course, like other bound metal systems, it still requires post-processing steps like debinding and sintering. But for startups, product developers, and manufacturers looking to produce quality metal parts without the complexity and expense of traditional powder bed machines, the Markforged Metal X is an outstanding choice. That wraps up our countdown on the best metal 3D printers in 2025. Links to all the printers are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.